in the near future, actually, everyone here in the channel will, like, you see I'm here and Trusty Bard is here, and in near future everyone else will have a character as well. The idea of the game is like it's like we're a group of adventurers. We're going on like a journey off into the wilds, and it's like it's I don't know. It's kind of like it's supposed to be like this story driven adventure. So yeah, so here are the rest of the characters. So yeah. Yes, and right now, oh yeah, so I just set it up so that this week I set it up so that you can actually play the game on Twitter as well. So there's account linking too. So if you have a Twitter account and a Twitch account, you can actually link the two accounts together, and that way you can play either way, and it'll contribute all the experience to the same. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it'll contribute all of your experience, so you can. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. And so, right, so the synonyms that I'm writing out are, so Twitter has this rule that, like, you can't say the same thing twice. So, like, if someone links their account and then they unlink their account, like, or if they, yeah, so if someone links their account, it says, success, your accounts are now linked. But if they link their account again, the bard, I mean, the game's, it's Trusty Bard is a robot, and so he would just say, again, he would say, success, your accounts are now linked. What I'm adding in is a bunch of synonyms, so now whenever he has to say one of those, like, messages, he can say something a little different at the end of it. So, like, he'll say, like, joyous adventures, or pleasant questing, or, like, delightful sojourn, like, so I'm just beefing up his vocabulary a little bit, so that way we can make sure that we're not like hitting like the spam restriction rules on hey, welcome back, BreakTech. So okay, that's probably enough synonyms for happy. I'll just add in a few more for journey. So was it so journey, adventures, hiking, expedition, exploring, questing, travels, trekking, exploration. No, we already have exploring. Uh, Maybe that's enough. Maybe that's just enough. That's probably enough synonyms, right? That's a lot of combinations, right? What is it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times? That's probably like 100 or so. Oh no, that's probably more than 100 combinations. So that's probably good. I mean, like, statistically, it could be the case that someone gets two of the same ones in a row, but I'll just have to deal with that if it happens. Um, Excursion, uh, uh, expedition, we already have that. Jaunt, jaunts. um, all right, I'm like, the well is dry. Um, oh, cool. Yeah, C++, that was like one of the first languages I worked with. That was like the first one I got really good with, so that's a good one. It's a good one to know. Uh, um, oh, really? Wow. Yeah, C++ can be pretty confusing, so I guess it sounds like you're on the right path if you're able to pick it up. That bodes very well. um, uh, yeah, okay. I don't have any more synonyms in my brain. Those are all my synonyms, all the synonyms. Um, so yeah, oh yeah. So okay, so the other thing I was going to test is so right, so like I said, I just added account linking, and I also added unlinking too. So I'm gonna say Trusty Bard, please unlink my. Did I spell that right? Yeah. Please unlink my account. Uh, and if that works, then Trusty Bard will recognize it, and uh, I did leave the accounts linked, right? I'm pretty sure they were linked. Let me double check. Well, actually, no, I guess I can't really check now because uh, if they were linked before, they're unlinked now. How did I leave it? Oh, maybe I left it like, because that didn't seem to do anything. So let's see what's up. Players. So this is my Twitter account. Link. What is the link status? Okay, so the accounts are unlinked. So maybe I just left the accounts unlinked or something. I don't remember. Oh, whoops, that's not what I meant to type. Link. Alright, so binary. Yeah, so the accounts are unlinked. So whoops. So I'm just gonna link them again real quick, and it'll send a duplicate tweet. Hopefully, it won't accidentally hit the wrong one and cue the robo filters or whatever. But all right, so to link it, my Twitter, spelled correctly, handle is at srsly_bz. So that is the. Oh yeah, so yeah, if I mean, your mileage may vary, but hypothetically, the okay, yeah. So I just got a tweet from Trusty Bard saying my accounts are now linked. Peaceful journey, and so now if I say please, oh right. Of course it doesn't. Of course there's no notification. Yeah, it unlinked the accounts, and of course there was no notification, because like I said, there is no notification when you unlink through Twitch. You only get the notification if you unlink through Twitter. So here, I'll now reply to this account, or reply to this tweet, please unlink my account, tweet, and hopefully, oh, you know what I should do? I should make it, I mean, hopefully this will work. Well, it'll work, hopefully it'll work once once it processes the tweets, because it processes the tweets like every minute or so. But you know what I should do is I should pass through the reply ID, or the ID of the tweet that wherein the player asked for their account to be unlinked, because then I can actually have it as a direct reply to that tweet, which is just a little bit more tactful. I feel like it's a little classier. So, yeah. So for unlink account, where's unlink account? Unlink account. I'm actually, instead of passing in the source as Twitter, I'm going to pass in the source as tweet.id, yeah, as a string. Or no, I'll just pass it in like that. That's fine. Alright, so, oh, the game just crashed. It tried to process the tweet and it didn't like it for some reason. Oh, cannot concatenate string and int objects. What do you think is an int object? Oh, the user ID. Yeah, the user ID would be an int object. Yes, whoops. Pardon. Actually, no, I can just take this part out, because I actually, as I realized, I don't actually need this. Yeah, so, but, actually I might want to keep it in case I do need it at some point. But no, I wouldn't be using it anyways, because this is stale data. Yeah, this is the data that can get stale, and in this case, I don't want to. Okay, yeah. So I just don't want to do that at all. All right. So actually, yeah. So I'm going to pass in the tweet ID through unlink account. Sorry, I'll bring the script back up in just a moment. If I remember to. So right. So now the source value is either going to equal Twitch, or it's going to equal the reply ID, which is a little whatever. I don't care. So if it equals Twitch, then we'll do that. And then down here, so we'll just say if source not equal Twitch. Because those are the two options. All right. So again, if source not equal Twitch. Then post update. Yeah, okay, so I think with the post update function, we can specify the ID as the reply to ID, I hope. Post update. Post update singular. Yes, in reply to status ID equals. Alright, so post update, and this comes after the text. In reply to status ID equals source. What are you complaining about? You just don't like... Or no, that's just the color of the text, I guess. That's not my favorite thing about PyCharm, is how it really doesn't... Not only does it hate you for exceeding like the screen width, it's also, the UI is very clumsy in that case. It auto scrolls you back to here a lot. It like snaps you. Yeah. All right. So, okay, because it crashed while processing that. Because it crashed while processing that last tweet. When I start the script, it'll immediately try to process that tweet again because it never finished processing it last time. Yes. Yes, indeed. All right, so that script has probably been done long enough. I don't know. There we go. All right, so it processed it. Did it? It should have by now. Right? Wouldn't it have? Huh. What's the deal? Oh, there it goes. No. Was that? No. That wasn't it. Yeah, it does think that we're linked. But did it not see the tweet? How did it not get the tweet? It looked for the tweet. What was the tweet ID? Huh. Hold on. What's the tweet ID? Wow, those are big numbers. 566011045 5656. I thought it was 566. 566. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Alright, did it reply? No? Huh. That's weird. Because, yeah, look. I mean, it did eventually get the tweet. Oh, linked binary. What? I know I'm linked. I know. What? Is that not the... Have I just not tested this before? Does this just not work? Unlink account. Please unlink my account. Please unlink my account. That should be the magic word. Please unlink my account. What the heck? What the heck? Did it unlink them? Or does it still think they're linked? It did unlink them. It just didn't reply. Weird. So why didn't it reply? I mean, I guess the obvious answer is that it didn't think it... Like, the conditional that we put it in was, the link E. So, like, if it didn't think there was a link E... I mean, the source doesn't equal Twitch, so if link e no, no, it should still have replied, even if So wait, did it think it couldn't have thought the source equaled Twitch? I don't think. I mean, that wouldn't make any sense. No, the tweet ID was definitely not Twitch. What the heck? All right. Well, I'm just gonna try tweeting again, see what happens. Uh, please unlink my account, please. So, because, oh, pfft, weird. It just showed up. Like right as huh. All right, so it did work actually. So, yeah, so done. Your accounts have been unlinked. Nice sojourn. So now that I tweet it again, the next time it gets my tweet, because they already are unlinked, I should get another tweet saying the other thing. Oh, and it looks like I just got it. Your account is not linked. Splendid expedition. um, cool. And let me just, not that it's super important, I just want to check that the reply to stuff works out correctly. So, actually, yeah, it looks like it is. It looks like it did work correctly because yeah, the reply to, yay, the conversation view, yay, yay, stuff. All right, so I'm going to call that good. And that means Twitter is 100% done forever. I don't necessarily believe that's the case. I honestly wouldn't be surprised to find a few bugs here or there. But, it's pretty darn good. We made a lot of progress. It's been a big week so far. So link confirmation, mutual experience, side quest on Twitter. Bam, did it. Did. So yeah, these items over here though, these are pretty important. So I'll probably want to get started on these first things tomorrow. I've been streaming for like over 8 hours at this point, so I'm starting to feel a little bit of fatigue. I'm gonna switch over to Facecam for a second, and I'm going to, hey, look, I have a giant face. I am giant monster. I eat adventures. No, okay. Sorry. Here we are in these twilight hours of the stream. I am going to I'm gonna see who else is who's online, and I think we'll kick it over to another channel. Oh, sorry. So don't mind me. I'm just gonna quickly check out a few other channels, see what's up. I in my spare time I try and follow cool other channels, and because there's a lot out there, and I don't know. I don't understand the correlation between what people watch and what's good, because it doesn't seem to be a direct correlation a lot of the time. So I like to try and help. When I can, I try and help viewers find cool streamers, and streamers find cool viewers. So, at this point I'm going to say thank you to everyone who tuned in today. I had a wonderful time. So I hope to see you all again in the near future. And until then, have a wonderful whatever time of day it is. Bye. Bye. See ya. Bye. Good night. Or whatever time of day it is where you are. Bloop bloop. Bye.